This is the integrator home screen, from which you can reach all system modules with a simple click of a single button. Clicking on the navigation button takes us instantly to the integrator navigation cockpit home screen. This is the integrator navigation cockpit home screen, from which any module in the application can be accessed. Clicking on the Prioritize Simulation Navigation button instantly takes us to the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module. This is the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module home screen. Clicking on the Summary Navigation button in the Versus Target column takes us to the section of the screen that provides the optimization table for all of the summary statement simulation key performance indicators, with all of the projects grouped within each table. The first table is the optimization table, as we can see, for the improvement in earnings per common share, extracted from the results of the investment cases for each of the projects. The details of all of the columns in this optimization table will be discussed in the video on automated optimization in the section dedicated to the competitive advantages of the Simulation Decision Support module. As we can see here, the table is initially sorted in alphabetical order, and we can see that the average and the target rows are at the bottom of the table. The structure of each optimization run is the same, and it's defined by the choices you make using these two green pull-down menus. First, we select the metric. Click, and we can see the choices. This defines which of the three metrics that we'll choose. Let's choose % share of total dollar change to show the percentage that each project would achieve of the total projected change in earnings per share across all projects of the portfolio. Second, we get to choose the type of analysis. Again, green pull-down menu, we see the choices. This defines the type of optimization and the name of the column that will be displaying the optimized results. Let's select versus % target to show the difference between the projected values and the target values expressed as a percentage of this target value. Notice that to direct you immediately to the appropriate columns, the system uses a specific color code. First of all, the target metric, we can see column in green. We'll scroll over a little and we'll see that the optimization column is in gold. Therefore, the optimized results will be displayed in the column at this far left-hand side of the table with the heading versus % target. Click back to the optimization table. Now simply clicking on the Prioritize Navigation button immediately results in the optimized results being displayed in this versus % target column. Let's just scroll back a little bit to this versus % target column. The projected results are optimized in descending order, with the projects most exceeding the target at the top, the best project, and the worst performing project at the bottom. Now what we can see is that Chicago was the best performing project because it exceeded the target by 53% as compared to a target of only 20%. Secondarily, what we can see is that Boston was the worst performing project as it underperformed the target by over 30%. Also, we can see that only Chicago and Minneapolis were able to achieve results in excess of the target. And in addition, there were no other projects that were able to even exceed the average of all 5 projects. Going back to the optimization table, we click on this Restore button and it restores the entire optimization table to its original alphabetic sequence. Go back to the top of the screen and it basically takes us back to the top of the home screen and ready to do another one-click optimization. This concludes the overview of the Integrator Simulation Decision Support Module Prioritization section.